Introduce highlight features and overview summary of Intel NUC8 Mainstream Kit NUC8i5BEH Mini Business and Home PC Desktop. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Processor Intel i5-8259U, 4 cores 8 threads, base clock speed 2.3 GHz, max turbo to 3.8 GHz, 6 MB cache. Graphics integrated Iris Plus Graphics 655, 4K 60Hz supported, Thunderbolt 3, dual monitors supported. Memory 8 GB, 1x8, 2 slots total, user replaceable, DDR4 RAM. Storage 256 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. Operating system Windows 10 Professional 64-bit. Wireless Wi-Fi 5802.11 AC and Bluetooth 5.0. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.